And then next to the radish and the melon, we got cucumber, basil, peas, corn, and spinach, all in this little area right here. That back one is cabbage, just straight cabbage. Um, this one is turnip, two types of turnip. You know what I'm saying? This one over here is a straight watermelon. This little corner, it's about four in there, four little seeds in there. But cucumber, spinach, basil, corn, cabbage right here, radish, melon, and peas. That little strip is cucumber, turnip, two types of turnip, carrot, pea, I believe, onion,